over and through the film.
Guys, look at the view. Go.
I made this beach famous. Oh!
We'll stay. By the way, we are at Flinders University in Adelaide, and it's so cool. It doesn't even seem like a uni right now. Now Annie will show you how to open my iced coffee.
Brava!
Nice. I want to greet some people. Are we famous now? Famous. We're famous. Hello. So down here. How do you zoom? I want to be like all sexual, but like. Yeah. Is it zooming?
Yep.
Go.
Perfect. A bit lower.
Wait, ready?
Go. I knew it was you.
Oh. Like the one with Annie. This is the coolest Italian I've ever met. But I've only met one Italian, so. Happy birthday!
I'm stressed.
He comes with a Lego. Has a Lego. Hey! Like, this is for you!
Oh, that's really cute.
No, like it's a full-on treat made out of Lego. Like, this is it.
Oh, it picked up. So Jess is gonna skate for us. Go. You can't, I'm sorry. That! You seen that? Yeah! Oh god.
The fire thing.
Yeah, I saw that.
Wait. Oh, I gotta get speed. Hang on.
Jess moves out so hard. Oh my god!
It's raining.
Oh!
Look.
Oh my god.
Look at the dog!
I'm gonna take over your channel. Feel free to steal my subscribers. Okay. What do you mean?
I'm a subscriber.
I know.
I'm just texting my boyfriend, you know, actually.
Which one?
Who's your boyfriend?
All of these guys are my boyfriends and girlfriends. So this one here is my girlfriend number one.
Yeah.
Then she's my second choice, my second preference. And then, you know, I've got Harry. He's like, he's goals, you know. Vlogging the vlog.
Oh my god.
Vlogging the vlog. Vlogging the vlog. When your best friend's on the floor, join them. Hey, Bubby! Oh, there's a third person. There's an Annalise!
I'm eating someone's hair.
And now there's a German! Yes! Kelsey, I love you.
I know, I love you guys.
Kelsey, I hate you. I think my bum's showing. Is that your boob? Yeah! Annie, stop it. I want to be cute.
Do you want to be cute?
Why so cool?
Yeah. And then you have to drive home. Don't play ball in Australia. Oh yeah. Until next time. Bye. What a flattering angle, Lani.
Wait, is it going?
Yeah.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Okay. Hello, just played a game of hockey. We got Sara here. Oh gosh, it's a bit too close. Here's Sara. Here's Andy. How's it going? Introduce yourself to the viewers, Andy. Very nice, very nice. He said that his name is Andy.
By the way, if you didn't catch it.
Tash, my little sister Selena. Look how yucky her eyebrows are, viewers. Alright, that's it.
I think they're the only part of the
That's it for me.
Oh wait.
See ya.
I'm now on my own because my lovely sister has gone on a date with her boyfriend and I'm always the forever alone one. But since I haven't actually toured the town a little bit because I'm always in Adelaide at the weekend, I've wanted to have a look around and go and explore the bay a little bit. So I'll bring you with me. Guys, how cool is it to be surrounded with this landscape? Guys, this is actually the place of my dreams. How cool is that I can walk on the beach at this time of the year? I know it's August, but here it's winter and it's a lovely weather, like there are 15 degrees here. Can you see the waves going different ways?